Macon-Bibb County Commissioners are set to consider a major public safety upgrade Tuesday, a nearly $3 million plan to replace the county's entire weather warning system. The plan would add more than 24 sirens all across the county. Maggie Fitzgerald explains what the new system could mean for folks who depend on those sirens.
Back when it happened, it looked like a war zone all through Macon, especially over here as well. And in the house, it was like every room was turned upside down.
John Paul Pearson and his family have lived in Lizella since 1996, not too far from Lake Tobesofkee, one of the hardest hit areas during some of Macon's most severe weather, most notably the Mother's Day tornadoes of 2008. This aerial view of that damage shows trees down and homes destroyed.
Awful. I mean, the house across the street was basically gone. Just everything scattered. It was just nuts.
During moments like these, Macon-Bibb's emergency management team works around the clock, sending out alerts online, through cell phones, and through their outdoor warning sirens. But Director Spencer Hawkins says it's time for an upgrade.
A lot of folks don't have cars as old as some of our emergency sirens that were installed in the 50s and 60s. We have a lot of sirens that were installed in the 80s, and then another tranche of sirens that were installed in the late 90s and early 2000s.
The county plans to invest nearly $3 million to install a brand new digital warning system. Right now, over 50 sirens cover the county, but that could expand to 83 to better reach every neighborhood. Hawkins says the new technology will allow silent testing, fewer false alerts, and more accurate warnings when seconds matter most.
Sometimes mistakes happen with those mechanical systems, and what we are hoping for is that these new systems will be able to more accurately get out information.
In Macon, Maggie Fitzgerald, 13 WMEZ News.
The county SPLOST, which renewed this year, would cover the cost of that upgrade.